Okay, here's another game from similar to the other two brief videos I posted today from a tournament. This one I am winning and then screw up at the very end. My opponent is rated quite a bit higher than I am. So I'm just playing the bird, or bird's opening. He's playing the sort of typical response to it, or one of them, that is to play g6, although usually that's played with d5 and nf6 instead of with c5 and c6, but we both get through the opening just fine. Very typical play. I probably could have gone ahead and played ne4 there instead of c3. ne4 is a typical opening the bird's move for white. Now he makes this pawn run on the queen side that I don't think helps him. And then he does that, which I think is a big mistake. I don't think he gets anything for it. I probably should have gone after his pawn on c5 there by playing knight b3, but and again he continues his pawn rush. And he should castle now, but and that's the mistake I think that he plays there. He basically gives me a passed pawn. So I'm down a point here in piece value, but I get it back, so now I'm even. And here he messes up with his back rank play. Now I also mess this up. I should play queen d6 here. In fact, I'll add in that variation just to show you. Something like this, pinning his queen and winning. But instead I just did that. In the end it's fine. So I lost a one game. Then here I can recapture it. That's the right move. That's the right move. That's the right move. And that was the wrong move. Instead I should have played king e8, king e4, protecting my pawns. And there's the winning position. Instead I blew it. I thought I could still come in and take the pawns, but and here I should have played king c3, and it still would have been a better game for him, but perhaps drawing chances. Instead I go here and I lose. But that's it, just an example of the bird opening.